Have you ever wondered what would happen if all the bugs on Earth suddenly disappeared? A world without bugs might seem more comfortable for some, but the reality is, our lives would be drastically different. Bugs, these tiny creatures that we often overlook or even shoo away, are the unsung heroes of our planet. Their roles are diverse and critical to the ecosystem. Take decomposition, for example. Bugs are the planet's little recyclers. Insects like beetles, ants, and flies help break down dead plants and animals, returning vital nutrients back to the soil. Without them, we'd be neck-deep in waste. And then there's pollination. We owe a lot of our food to bugs. Insects like bees, butterflies, and beetles visit flowers to feed on nectar or pollen, and in the process, they transfer pollen from the male parts of a flower to the female parts. This cross-pollination helps at least 30% of the world's crops and 90% of our wild plants to thrive. But that's not all. Bugs are also nature's pest control. Certain species of bugs prey on pests that can cause enormous damage to crops. Ladybugs, for instance, have a healthy appetite for aphids and other harmful insects. And let's not forget about the intricate social structures of some bug species. Ants and bees live in colonies, working together in astounding harmony. Each individual has a specific role, from foraging for food, caring for the young, to defending the colony. This social behavior is a testament to their incredible adaptability and survival skills. So the next time you see a bug, before you think of squashing it, take a moment to appreciate the role it plays in our world. Bugs might be small, but they are mighty. They are the silent workers, the unseen caretakers of our planet. Indeed, bugs are far from insignificant. They are tiny powerhouses that keep our ecosystem ticking. Bugs lead a fascinating life, one that begins as a tiny egg. It's within this minuscule capsule that the journey of a bug commences, a journey that's as remarkable as it is transformative. Picture this: a mother bug gently deposits her eggs in a safe and nourishing environment. This could be anywhere, really. A leaf, a stalk of grass, or even beneath the Earth's surface. It's here that these eggs patiently await the warmth of spring to hatch into the next stage of their life cycle. Emerging from the egg is the larva, often an unrecognizable version of the adult bug it will eventually become. The larvae are voracious eaters, consuming food at an astonishing rate to fuel their rapid growth. This is a period of change, full of molting and growth, as our little bug prepares for the next big transformation. This next stage is often the most dramatic and mysterious part of a bug's life, the pupa stage. The larva, now grown, finds a safe spot to rest, often building a cocoon around itself. Inside this protective layer, an incredible transformation takes place. The larva's body breaks down and then reforms into a completely different form. It's a process known as metamorphosis, a kind of magic show nature puts on behind the scenes. And then, the moment of truth arrives. The adult bug, fully formed and strikingly different from its larval form, pushes its way out of the cocoon. It takes a moment to dry its wings, to gain its bearings, before it takes off into the world. This adult bug, whether it's a butterfly, a beetle, or a bee, now has a role to play in the grand scheme of things. It may pollinate flowers, decompose organic matter, or even be a source of food for other creatures. Each bug, in its own way, contributes to the intricate web of life. And thus, a new adult bug takes flight, ready to start its own journey and contribute to the ecosystem. Bugs are not a monolith. They come in all shapes and sizes, and each kind has its unique characteristics. Picture the delicate multicolored wings of a butterfly, the iridescent sheen of a beetle's hard shell, or the sleek, segmented body of a centipede. Each of these insects, and countless others, contributes to the rich tapestry of life that exists on our planet. This diversity is not just for show either. Each bug has a role to play in the grand scheme of things, and their varied forms and abilities allow them to fulfill these roles in unique ways. For example, the humble bee, with its fuzzy body and ability to fly from flower to flower, is a crucial pollinator. Without them, our food supply would be in serious danger. On the other hand, consider the beetle. With over 400,000 species, beetles are the most diverse group of organisms on Earth. Some beetles are scavengers. breaking down dead plants and animals and returning those nutrients back to the soil. Others are predators, helping to keep populations of other bugs in check. And then there are the ants. Tiny in size but mighty in numbers, ants are a testament to the power of teamwork. They build complex colonies, gather food, and even farm other insects. Their social structure is so advanced that it rivals our own in complexity. Butterflies, with their stunning metamorphosis from caterpillar to winged beauty, are another testament to the incredible variety of bugs. Their life cycle is a marvel of nature, and their dazzling colors and patterns add a splash of beauty to our world. Each of these bugs and the many others that share our planet contributes to the overall health and balance of the ecosystem. They are pollinators, decomposers, predators, and builders. They are an essential part of the web of life, each with a role to play and a story to tell. Bugs, in their multitude of forms, add color, complexity, and stability to our world. So, the next time you see a bug, take a moment to appreciate its unique place in the grand tapestry of life. So, why should we care about bugs? After exploring the intricate world of bugs, their fascinating life cycles, and their astounding diversity, it's time to address this question. Bugs, although small in stature, play a massive role in our ecosystem. They are the unsung heroes of pollination, helping plants to reproduce, which in turn provides food for countless animals and humans. They are the silent workers in the world of decomposition, breaking down dead organic matter and returning vital nutrients back to the earth. Bugs are also the unnoticed soldiers in pest control. Many species prey on harmful insects, keeping their populations in check. And let's not forget the social bugs like ants and bees, whose complex societies and teamwork are a marvel of nature. So next time you see a bug, remember its significance. In the grand scheme of things, bugs may be small, but their impact on our world is anything but.